Today, we're going to talk about something that can drastically change your financial future. The top 5 high-income skills that can guarantee wealth. Whether you're looking to increase your income, start a new career, or secure your financial future, these skills are the key to success. So make sure to stick around till the end to discover these wealth-building skills. Number 1 skill, digital marketing. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses understand the pivotal role that a robust online presence plays in their success. Digital marketing has become the cornerstone of their strategies, creating a tremendous demand for experts in this field. Let's delve deeper into the realms of digital marketing and its various facets. Search engine optimization, SEO, stands as the bedrock of digital visibility. It involves optimizing a website's content to rank higher in search engine results, ensuring maximum visibility. A profound understanding of SEO can significantly impact a business's online reach and, subsequently, its revenue. Social media marketing is another crucial avenue within digital marketing. Social platforms have evolved into powerful marketing tools, enabling businesses to directly engage with their audience. A social media expert knows how to leverage these platforms effectively, driving engagement and conversions. Pay-per-click, also known as PPC, is an area where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. Mastery in this realm involves understanding keywords, audience targeting, and ad placement. Adeptness in PPC can result in highly targeted campaigns that yield substantial returns on investment. Moreover, the beauty of digital marketing lies in its versatility. Whether it's content creation, email marketing, or analytics, the spectrum of opportunities within this field is broad. Acquiring these skills not only opens doors to high-paying job opportunities but also empowers individuals to venture into entrepreneurship. Establishing your digital marketing agency or working as a freelancer becomes a tangible and lucrative career path with these skills in your arsenal. Mastering digital marketing is a dynamic and ever-evolving journey. Staying updated with the latest trends and algorithm changes is crucial. Continuous learning, experimentation, and adaptation are fundamental in this field, making it both challenging and rewarding. Digital marketing isn't just a skill set. It's a gateway to a future where creativity, strategy, and technology intersect, shaping the way businesses connect with their audience. Embrace this skill, and you'll find yourself at the forefront of the digital revolution, navigating success and wealth in a technologically driven world. Number 2, software development. In an era of unprecedented technological advancements, the demand for proficient software developers has surged. Software development, as a high-income skill, not only promises a financially rewarding career but also offers a gateway to shaping the future through innovation and problem-solving. Software development isn't confined to a single facet. The breadth of this field spans across various domains, such as mobile app development, web development, and specialized software. Mobile app developers create applications tailored for smartphones, which have become an integral part of everyday life. Web developers, on the other hand, build and maintain websites, ensuring seamless user experiences and functionalities. The proficiency in coding languages plays a pivotal role in a software developer's journey. Languages like Python, known for its versatility and simplicity, or JavaScript, the backbone of web development, provide a strong foundation. Additionally, Java, recognized for its widespread use in enterprise-level applications, offers ample opportunities for developers. The beauty of software development lies in its blend of creativity and problem-solving. Beyond mere coding, it involves understanding user needs, designing intuitive interface, and crafting robust solutions. The ability to innovate and adapt to ever-evolving technologies is a hallmark of successful software developers. Moreover, the software industry is not just about jobs. It's about the possibilities it presents. Whether working for a tech giant, a startup, or freelancing, the prospects for growth and innovation are abundant. Those skilled in software development can contribute to groundbreaking projects, from developing life-changing applications to driving technological revolutions. Continuous learning is crucial in this domain, given the rapid evolution of technology. Keeping abreast of new programming languages, frameworks, and methodologies ensures a developer's skill set remains relevant and marketable. Embracing challenges, tinkering with new ideas, and collaborating within a community of developers becomes the key to unlocking the true potential of this skill. Software development isn't just about writing code. It's a dynamic journey of creating solutions, impacting industries, and transforming the way we interact with technology. Embrace this skill, and you'll find yourself not just writing code, but crafting the future in lines of code. Number 3, sales and negotiation. Encompassing sales and negotiation stands as a fundamental pillar in the realm of professional success. Proficiency in these areas not only guarantees a stable income, but also offers a versatile skill set applicable in various spheres of life. The art of effective sales transcends the mere exchange of goods or services. It involves understanding customer needs, fostering relationships, and providing solutions. Whether selling products, services, or ideas, the ability to articulate value and address the client's pain points is paramount. A skilled salesperson doesn't just push a product. They craft an experience, guiding customers toward a beneficial decision. Negotiation, an integral part of the sales process and beyond, entails finding common ground and reaching agreements. The art of negotiation extends far beyond business deals. It's a life skill that influences relationships, resolves conflicts, and navigates through various situations. Understanding the psychology of negotiation, empathizing with counterparts, and seeking win-win outcomes define a successful negotiator. The beauty of mastering sales and negotiation skills lies in their universality. These skills are applicable in a broad spectrum of professions, from a corporate setting to entrepreneurship. An effective salesperson or negotiator is an asset to any company, contributing to revenue growth and facilitating successful collaborations. Furthermore, the mastery of these skills isn't solely about monetary gains. It's about fostering trust, building long-term relationships, and understanding the intricate dynamics of human interaction. Effective sales and negotiation skills empower individuals not just to sell but to understand and influence human behavior. Continuous practice and refinement of these skills are vital. Techniques evolve, strategies adapt, and every negotiation or sales opportunity presents a learning curve. Investing time in understanding different negotiation styles, refining pitches, and actively engaging in role-play scenarios can hone these skills further. Ultimately, sales and negotiation aren't just skills. They're the essence of effective communication, understanding, and influence. Embracing these skills is not just a pathway to monetary success, but an opportunity to navigate through the complexities of human interactions and drive mutually beneficial outcomes. Number 4, financial literacy and investment. Perhaps the most pivotal is centered around financial literacy and investment. In an ever-changing economic landscape, understanding the nuances of money management is not just beneficial but essential for securing one's financial future and fostering long-term wealth. Financial literacy entails grasping the basic concepts of money management, including budgeting, saving, and understanding credit. It's the foundation upon which sound financial decisions are made. It's not merely about earning money. It's about managing and multiplying it wisely. Knowing how to budget effectively, control debt, and plan for the future are fundamental skills. Investment knowledge goes hand in hand with financial literacy. It involves understanding different investment vehicles, risk assessment, and creating a diversified portfolio. This knowledge empowers individuals to make informed decisions regarding stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets, aiming to grow wealth over time. The beauty of financial literacy and investment lies in their power to provide financial security and autonomy. By educating oneself about these areas, individuals can take control of their financial destiny, steering away from financial pitfalls and making informed choices that lead to long-term stability. Moreover, the skills acquired in this domain go beyond personal finance. Understanding the market, economic trends, and investment opportunities cultivates a mindset of wealth creation and economic awareness. It enables individuals to not only secure their future but also contribute to the growth of the economy and society. Continuous education and staying informed are critical in this field. Financial markets fluctuate, investment landscapes evolve, and regulations change. Staying updated, diversifying knowledge sources, and seeking guidance from financial experts are crucial steps in this ongoing journey. Financial literacy and investment aren't just about accumulating wealth. They're about creating a legacy, ensuring financial stability, and enabling the pursuit of dreams. Embracing these skills provides not only financial security but the freedom to design a life that transcends mere survival, facilitating opportunities and impacting future generations positively. Number 5, data science. Data science is undeniably the cornerstone of the modern era. In an age where data reigns supreme, the ability to glean insights and make informed decisions has elevated data scientists to the forefront of multiple industries. Data science involves the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data to derive meaningful conclusions. This skill isn't merely about crunching numbers, but about extracting valuable insights that drive businesses forward. With the exponential growth in data generation, the need for skilled professionals who can derive actionable insights from this data has surged. Data analysis forms the core of data science, involving the examination and interpretation of large data sets. It enables professionals to uncover trends, patterns, and correlations within the data, thus aiding in strategic decision-making for businesses. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, allows systems to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Understanding machine learning algorithms and their applications empowers data scientists to create predictive models, detect anomalies, and automate decision-making processes. Statistical modeling is another vital aspect of data science. By utilizing statistical techniques, data scientists can build models to make predictions, forecast trends, and quantify uncertainties. These models serve as a foundation for making data-driven decisions. The significance of data science spans across diverse sectors, including healthcare, finance, marketing, and more. Companies leverage these insights to optimize processes, enhance customer experiences, and gain a competitive edge. The skills acquired in data science not only promise high-paying career opportunities, but also the satisfaction of contributing to meaningful advancements in various industries. Continuous learning and keeping abreast of evolving technologies and methodologies in data science are crucial. From understanding new algorithms to mastering the latest tools, data scientists must adapt to stay relevant in this dynamic field. Data science isn't merely about manipulating data. It's about extracting meaningful information that shapes strategies, drives innovation, and enhances decision-making. Embracing this skill empowers individuals not just to understand data but to revolutionize industries and pave the way for a more informed and efficient future. These top 5 high-income skills can guarantee wealth and open doors to financial success. Whether you're starting a new career, enhancing your current one, or looking to secure your financial future, investing in these skills is a smart move. So pick the skill that aligns with your interests and goals, and start your journey to financial prosperity.